sheep. Out of the way, sheep. It's two. It is.
Wow.
You see it on the road here. It is black.
Oh, you can see black.
Daddy just ran over us. Me and Mom was on the side, and then we went like all the way down. We got the
Mommy doesn't have any eyebrows.
What do you mean I don't have eyebrows?
Oh no, Mom again.
What?
Oh.
It's a big rock. It's a big rock. Oh,
Here's some big rock.
not a big rock.
Here come the big paddle.
No.
Paddle.
Big paddle.
Lots of paddle this
What?
Don't jump the hole. That is not fun.
Oh, look at that.
There's a big paddle
Big
coming.
paddle.
I
want to take this out.
Oh no!
No!
Oh no, here comes the big paddle. Lily! Look for it, Lily.
Oh, it's so loud.
Lily, you.
Oh! Lily!
Well, already.
Oh, I did my teeth came out.
What the hell? Cũng đơn bò để tặng. Đây. Sao nhắc tí nó có nhắc tí nó có đẹp trong mỏ.
Look.
Hi. Hi. How can they both in here?
Brother, come on.
I just told you.
Brother,
Lily, where are you?
we're going to shoot deer.
I'm going to shoot deer. Go try and go hunting. Look at it.
Brother, come on.
Look, those two come here and play soccer.
Oh no!
Hey, be quiet. Shh. No, là cho mấy chú noisy này. Look at those two. Broken teeth. Oh, no go. Hi.
Can I hold it?
Sure. You block your nose, where do you go?
Want to see the deer again?
They saw someone throw the deer skin in here, the deer skin here, and then.
Are they still there? Inside sleeping. Oh, when I take my glasses off, it's more better.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave my glasses off just because. Wow, it's so big. Yeah,
Don't worry, don't worry. You don't touch it. It's okay. Yeah. It's okay, yeah. The feet are free. They had to fly around to get the.
almost hurt.
Yeah.
If you touch it, they'll sting you. I'm gonna try to look through my shoe. Look, there's a lot of colors through my shoe. So pretty. Why would you beat this? Oh no, I still see the people in the bush. Lily. I'm scared. Just fly. I mean, it's a bee. It's not a bee. Why are you scared of it?
I'm scared. Leave it. Leave the bee alone.
It's not a bee. It's a fly. Little baby.
Just remember. Put this one away. Put this one. The cat be closer. Get closer. You won't see it.
You know, I still see it. For a donut try? Yeah, it's a beautiful sky. Look at the clouds, it's so bright. Where's my glasses? Where's my glasses? Right there. Too bad. I didn't even get it. Why? I'm not even getting it. You're joking. Brother, look. But I found something. Daddy, just like experience. Where is it? Oh, here.
Hello everyone. Good to bring the family and the two little kids come around. Mainly just today. I mean, this trip just only camping trip, but it's good to have a kid with me and my wife, and we just make a camping tonight, and hopefully they will enjoy it. I didn't do much walking at all. I just set the rifle here and then just wait for see hopefully any animals coming up. I actually bought two rifles, one for 7-ring mag and the other one is 6.5 Cremo. So yes, so just in case for a little bit longer range for if I see animals a bit further away. Oh, it's been mixing up. Yeah, so this one is 7-ring max, so it's a little bit long range. Right, just glassing around and as the sun just dying down, so it's time to using the thermal and see how they go. Right, hopefully we'll see something. Cheers. Hello team. Sunset at the moment. Just very little light left. Haven't seen any deer pop up, so will be no luck tonight. So well, we'll see in the next morning and see how that go. We just camping over one night only, so tomorrow maybe roughly by afternoon we're heading back home. Yep, let's see. Alright, thank you. Cứ rủ đợi nó tao đấy luôn thì xì mong nó chỉ bỏ tại mà lư chỉ bỏ tại tụi này cô xí lô quét nhạc nè hả, cô xí lô quét nhạc là kiểm tra ta xì giống nhận là chỉ bỏ tại nè rồi ít ra sẽ bỏ tại nhé tại xì từ chọn đôi ta xì nó lại đánh chơi chọn chơi ít ra đấy xem.
Rough marshmallows now?
Oh, this wait. Should we put this one inside, boy? Wait to put this one inside. Wait.
Where?
Yeah, because wait.
You know, like it's in there.
Oh,
I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it.
Brother, come on.
I guess it's goodbye.
Hi, monster. Ooh, tiny up.
关于你的记忆消失了一件又一件，午夜的未接来电我拨打了一遍又一遍，我想要听我的脉搏，心跳却又断了线。睡梦中你的身影，我复习了一面又一面。漫长的夜开始分裂，昏暗的灯光也慢慢熄灭。不想了解我的一切，酒后的真心话全都不屑，不想再去怀念。走心的话我都留在心里面。我学着把冷漠挂在嘴边，白天到黑夜。
Stop. You can't even see me in the dark. I know.
What did you say before this is?
Nothing.
So what do you can't eat? Because we have what?
They're saying DNA.
Whatever.
Yeah, that means the same blood.
Isn't it?
That does not say blood. Blood. Because we're born
Brother, watch out for eyes. Brother,
Stop!
brother, not gonna hit you. I'm right here.
Go.
Ooh.
Come on. Go. Go. Yeah. Go.
Waiting. Nothing sure.
从来都不害怕浪费，可千万不要嫌弃我身上掩盖的烟酒味。我的时候谁也不会独自孤单掉着泪。Baby, I don't even miss you. Baby, I don't even miss you.
scared of
Maybe
it.
I don't know if it is true.
We'll see how it goes.
Maybe I just wanna hear myself. Baby, take it
So I've got 2 rifles set up.
away. I don't wanna feel this pain.
Set up for
I
locker
don't
room
wanna feel this
past
way.
500 meter.
I can see the stars.
Another one. Just under 500 meter should be okay.
So you didn't hear Daddy shot this morning? Why?
I'll weigh about 6.
Oh, what about you, brother?
That means ghosts coming, you guys don't ever hear.
And imagine, brother, you say we all supposed to sleep, but then the deer coming and you get out and use the knife. Has that happened last night? Rộng á. Chỉ cần rộng được cơ thế rồi số co xương. Rồi số co xương.
Mẹ.
The morning, what time now? Oh, big bully, một cái đó phi bơi. Nhìn ra, nhìn ra. Sẽ chụp lăng, sẽ chụp lăng cái đó con nói. Nhìn ra.
Phải one hour, huh? You can do it.
I'm gonna go home.
Để o từ nhất thì nó mấy từ to cúc. Mà ít từ nhất.
Nó hơi cho khâu.
Tạm sẽ nắng gọt cho tí lúc hắn ở ha.
Mình chỉ tập. Cô bắt tua tao. Chỉ tao này cả. Tua. You gonna check? Okay. Okay. Check, maybe check, see if you can find a deer for Daddy. Hello. Cho nó ý của professional lên đó cho nó.
Too hot.
Ôi thật đây. Hả? Tụi em còn sườn vào trong đi nữa được.
Ow! Ah! Yeah. Oh, there you almost fell. I almost fell. You almost fell. Yeah, you almost slipped. It's a big rock. Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. Which way? I hear some baby chicken. Oh. I've been, yeah, already 4 minutes. Ah! It's okay. What? You remember? What do you think? Oh, yes. Yes, I do. Now, Lily, imagine I saw it at the very end. Oh, that'd be embarrassing. Wow. Shoes on my feet. Yo! I'm gonna play down there. I got gum boots. Wait, Mommy, how about my coat? How about with this?
We can
Yeah, you still have
take
to
it off.
Okay.